This is Clevedon Pier and today we're going on the very last seagoing paddle steamer.
The Waverley is the only surviving seagoing paddle steamer in the whole wide world. Today's cruise starts on the only Grade 1 listed pier in the UK. Hundreds of people arrived for our Sunset Cruise in June, but as this is England, you'll see what happened. Tickets in hand, it was very exciting descending the steps at the end of the pier. The tide was low, so we had to descend quite a few levels. The Waverley was built just after World War II, with her first voyage in 1947. She was built for day trips, taking passengers on scenic cruises down the Firth of Clyde in Scotland. As technology advanced, she was almost lost forever, but today she is the very last seagoing paddle steamer. And incredibly, over 75 years later, she's still taking passengers all around the UK coastline, thanks to the people and volunteers who have kept her going over the years.
In the ship's early days, it took passengers around the coast of Scotland.
She's powered by a real steam engine, and you can actually watch the giant pistons in action on board.
It's great to be so close to the engine.
Today's cruise takes us out into the Bristol Channel, past two islands, Holm and Steep Holm, before circling back to Clevedon. These islands sit roughly halfway between the coasts of England and Wales, and they both have fascinating stories. Holm is low and grassy, known for its lighthouse and colonies of seabirds, but also for being the site where Marconi sent one of the world's first wireless messages across open water in 1897. Steep Holm is much more dramatic, with steep cliffs rising straight from the sea.
Steep Holm has been used as a signal station, monastery and even a Victorian gun battery.
That's an incredible amount of history for such a small island.
Waverley was built in 1947 and it's amazing to think that she's still sailing almost 80 years later. What a great way to travel. It's June, the height of British summer, which obviously means it's freezing cold, so we popped in for a cuppa.
You can get something stronger or dine on board.
Long before this paddle steamer existed, there was another paddle steamer called the Waverley. However, that one was requisitioned during World War II and it ended up being destroyed and sunk in Dunkirk. It's really narrow.
I met some lovely people on board the ship, and as we returned to Clevedon, I started thinking about all the people who have travelled on this ship over the decades. To me, it feels like a calm, unhurried way of sightseeing, a real chance to slow down and chat with the people around you. It's slower than modern travel, but that's kind of the point. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the rest of my videos around England and beyond. Until next time, happy exploring!